start from first.
Yes.
Al baitu, so fil baiti. Okay.
Yes.
Abdul bhai, if you are putting some cursor, I'm not saying it. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Al masjidu fil masjidi. Al
المكتب
al maktabu
مكتب على
alal
المكتب.
maktabi.
السرير على السرير.
Al sariri. Al sariri. We don't say alal sariri. So this is shamsiya, right? Al sariri. So you can also translate.
Yes. Sarir means the bed, and it is on the bed.
Ala sariri will be on the bed. Okay. Ala means on or upon. Okay. So next page. This is al matbahu, right? Al matbahu means kitchen. Okay. Can you read this one here? The first line.
Aina Muhammadun.
Can you translate?
Where is the Muhammad?
Where is Muhammad?
Where is Muhammad? Huwa fil hurwati.
Huwa fil gurfati. Naam. Huwa fil gurfati.
Yeah. Wa aina Yasirun. Huwa fil hammami.
Naam.
Huwa fil hammami.
Can you translate also, please?
Yeah. He is in the hammam.
Hammam means bathroom.
Bathroom. He is in the bathroom. Wa aina Aminatu. Hiya fil matbakhi. Ainal kitabu. Where is the kitab? Huwa alal maktabi. Wa aina sa'atu. Hiya alal sariru.
Hiya ala sariri. Ala sariri.
Hiya ala sariri.
Yeah. So this is preposition, right? Ala fi. They are preposition. So when preposition comes before any noun, so it changes the ending. So ending, it cannot be ala sariru or ala sarira. It always becomes ala sariri.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So next page who will read? Someone else, please.
Ainal kitabu. Where is the book?
Where is the book? Yeah. So can you answer where is the book? How will answer?
الكتاب على
السرير.
المكتب.
Yes. Al-kitabu alal maktabi, or you can say huwa alal maktabi.
Okay.
So if you ask aina al-kitabu, where is the book? You don't have to repeat the book again. You can say huwa alal maktabi or al-kitabu alal maktabi, also fine. Next one.
Aina Muhammadu.
Aina Muhammadun. This is not Muhammadu. Muhammadun. Aina Muhammadun. Naam. Where is Muhammad, right?
Huwa gurfatu.
وفي البيت.
Huwa fil gurfati. So this answer could be huwa fil gurfati, right? Huwa fil gurfati. So he is in the room. Huwa fil gurfati. He is in the room. Next one.
أين الساعة؟
Can you translate?
Where is the watch?
Where is the watch? Aina sa'atu. This is watch, right? As-sa'atu. Aina sa'atu. So we have read that same thing. You can say that hiya ala sariri. Hiya ala sariri. Here you can see this word as-sa'atu has ta marbuta, right? And we have a ta marbuta. So if you see most of the word with ta marbuta will be feminine. So if you have feminine word, we use here for it, right? So we read, we use here. This pronoun will be used. Huwa means, if we use huwa for a person, third person singular, right? So it will mean he. Here, a sa'atu is not a person, right? This is an object, the watch. So here will mean it. So if I say here ala sariri, it will mean it is on the bed. Here ala sariri, it is on the bed. Next.
Aina yasirun.
Aina yasirun. Aina yasirun. So where is Yasir?
Huwa matbakhi.
لا هو في الحمام. هو في الحمام. Hammam means he was in the bathroom, right? So bathroom in Arabic we call it hammam. So أين ياسر؟ هو في الحمام. هو في الحمام. He is in the bathroom. Okay, next.
Aina aminatu.
Aina Aminatu. Where is Amina?
هي في المكتب مخبتي.
نعم. هي في المطبخ. Because Amina is feminine, right? So for feminine we use here.
هي في المطبخ.
هي في المطبخ. She is in the kitchen. Next one.
آمنة في الغرفة.
نعم. آمنة في الغرفة. آمنة في الغرفة. Is Amina in the room? So how will answer it? آمنة
نعم.
في الغرفة.
نعم.
Okay,
نعم
you can say
في الغرفة.
نعم
هي
هي في الغرفة. Or you can say لا هي في المطبخ. You can say anything, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
ياسر في المطبخ.
Now. Yasirun fil matbakhi. Is Yasir in the kitchen?
لا.
لا. هو في الحمام, right?
لا هو في الحمام.
Next one.
من في الغرفة.
So what does it mean? Man fil gurfati. Man means who, right? Man means who.
Where is he?
No. Man means who. Fil gurfati means in the room. If I say man fil gurfati, who is in the room? Man fil gurfati, who is in the room? We can say Muhammadun fil gurfati, because we have already we have read that Muhammadun in the room. Okay, fine. Next one.
Woman fil hamami.
And
Woman
who is in the bathroom?
Okay, who was in the bathroom?
Yasirun fil hammami.
Yasirun fil hamami.
Naam, Yasirun fil hammami. Next one.
Alal maktabi. Who is on the table? What is on the table? What is on the table?
Maza means what?
What is on the table?
So we have read earlier that on the table there was a book, right?
Al-kitabu alal maktabi.
Naam. Next.
Maza alal sarirun. Sarirun. Alal sariri. Alal sariri. No. Maza means What is
So how to read it? Mada alas sariri. Mada alas sariri. Mada alas sariri.
al
What is on the bed?
kitabu ala sariri.
Naam. Al kitabu alas sariri. Or you can say as-sa'atu alas sariri.
As-saatu.
Okay. Next, please read one at a time the first line. Someone read the first line, then next person can read the second line.
Al-madrasatu.
Al-madrasatu. Naam.
Fil madrasati.
Fil
Wa fil
madrasati.
wa fil bait. Fil bait.
Fil bayti.
Al baitu. Al ghurwatu. Al hamam. Al hamam.
Naam. Next.
Fil hamami. Fil hamami. Fil matbakhi. Fil matbakhi. Fil matbakhi. Al maktabu. Alal maktabi. Alal kursiyi. Alal kursiyu.
Alal kursiyyi. Alal kursiyyi. This is shadda is there, na? So alal kursiyyi.
As-sariru.
Al-kitabi.
Fil masjidi.
Fil masjidi. Now, next, I want everybody to read. Please, if anyone else want to read, Ikra waktub, read and write. So please read the first line.
Talibu fil jami.
As-talibu fil jamiyati.
So what does it mean? Can you translate also?
As-talibu.
The student is in the university.
The student is in the university. There will be is, right? At-talibu fil jamiyati means the student is in the university. Next one.
Ar-rajulu
Ar-rajulu fil jamiyati. Fil masjidi.
Masjidi.
Ar-rajulu fil masjidi.
The man is in the mosque.
The man in
Naam.
the masjid.
Next one.
Aina
Aina
tajiru.
tajiru.
Where is the
Aina
merchant?
Please
fil
read
dukan.
one at a time. Please don't mind. Please read one at a time. Okay. One person at a time will be better. Okay. Please read.
Aina tajiru.
Aina
Aina
tajiru. Naam. So can you
Kanu.
huwa fi dukkani. Can you translate also? Aina tajiru.
Where is the merchant?
Naam.
He is in the shop.
He is in the shop. Okay. Next one.
Al-kalamu alal maktabi.
Naam. Al-qalamu alal maktabi. Naam.
The pen is on the table.
Next.
أين زينب؟ هي في الغرفة. There is Zainab. She is in the kitchen.
Gurfa means room. Fil gurfati will be in the room. Here fil gurfati, she is in the room. Okay, next one.
Huwa alal maktabi. Where is the paper? It is on the table.
Next.
Aina al mudarrisu.
Huwa fil fasli.
Huwa fil fasli. Now.
Is the teacher? He is in the classroom.
Where is the
Aina means where, right? Aina al-mudarrisu means where is the teacher? Huwa fil fasli. He is in the classroom. Next one.
أين ياسر هو في المرصاد مرهاد.
Mirhadi. Mirhadi.
Where is the Yasir? Yasir is in the
Toilet. Toilet.
Toilet.
Mirhad means toilet.
Mirhad means toilet.
Next one.
الشمس والقمر
الشمس والقمر في السماء.
Fis samai. Fis samai. This is shamsiya, right? Ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis samai. You can see this meme, there is alif, right? So if you see alif mad followed by hamza, right? So you have to read it little bit longer. So we read ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis samai. Fis samai is little bit longer than normal, right? So we read generally four elongation. So ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis samai. Fis samai. Okay. So what does it mean? Ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis samai.
The sun and the moon are in the sky.
Next one.
Man fil fasli. Who is in the classroom? Al-mudarrisu.
You can say al-mudarrisu fil fasli. This is just for reading. They're not asking question actually. Okay. So next one, ta'ammal ma yali. Ta'ammal means consider, ponder. So you have to take notice. So we read, these all names are for masculine people, name of people. These all are name of people, feminine. So can you read?
Muhammadun.
Yes. Next.
Khalidun.
Khalidun. Zainabu. Hamidun. Fatimatu.
Fatimatu. Now.
Yasirun.
Maryamu.
Maryamu.
Now.
Ammarun.
Aisha.
Aisha. Now. Next.
Sayyidun.
Sa'idun. Khadijatu.
Khadijatu.
Aliyun.
Aliyun.
This one.
Safiyatu.
Safiyatu. Now.
Safiyatu.
Abbasun.
Annasun. It's Abbasun.
Ruqayyatu. So what we have learned from this exercise, that if we have a masculine name, that means it is denoting to person, right? So then we generally read tanbin. So we read Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Yasirun, Ammarun, Sa'idun, Aliyun, Abbasun. But when it comes to feminine names, so feminine names, we don't read tanbin. So we read Aminatu.
Feminine means ladies.
Ladies, yes.
Masculine means men.
Yes.
Okay.
So feminine means this lady's name will not read tanbin. Okay. So this is a rule. There is some exception will be
I
there,
have a
but
question.
very rare. Yes.
The question is that for living person we can differentiate the gender, but for any object, then how could we differentiate
Yeah.
that?
For object, you can see we have found
Like
one
watch,
like
watch and
Yeah.
watch and kitab.
yeah. So al-ghurfatu, this is treated as feminine word, right? So whenever you see this ta marbuta at the end of any word, like as-sa'atu, this is ta marbuta, right? So if you see it, most of the word having ta marbuta at the end will be treated as feminine. There is exception. We'll come to it later. Don't think about exceptions. If you find any word, the ending is ta marbuta, you can safely assume this is feminine. Okay. Then
Okay.
you can see
Yeah.
al-kitabu. Al-kitabu. Is there any ta marbuta at the end?
No.
There is no ta marbuta in kitab, right? So that's why we can consider it as masculine. So we are considering masculine. So it is a masculine word. There is many rule for considering words to be feminine and masculine. This is a little bit complicated. It will keep coming. So it will take time. Okay. So if I dictate all the rules, it will become complicated. So just remember, if you have any noun that ends with ta marbuta, so as-sa'atu, al-ghurfatu, you can consider it as feminine. Okay, is it clear?
So only ta
Yes.
tu, then we have to use feminine. Then other letters, the bu, it is al kitabu. Then we have to use masculine.
Yeah, al-kitabu, there is no ta marbuta, you can consider as masculine.
Yeah,
So
ta
there
means
will be
only
some.
last letter ta. Ta.
So suppose there is a real gender. Suppose if I say Muhammadun, we don't need any sign for that word to be masculine, right? We know that Muhammad is a person that is male, right?
Yeah.
Masculine. So that is automatically masculine.
Hmm.
Even if there is ta marbuta, like you will find some word like Talhatu, then Usamatu, then Ikrimatu. This word has ta marbuta, but still they are masculine. Okay, so if you have a word that is a name of a person who is male, so that will be treated as masculine. The word will be masculine, irrespective of what is coming at the end, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, if a girl's name, you find a girl name, that will be treated as feminine. You don't have to look at the sign. But if we have some word like uh, al-ghurfatu, as-sa'atu, this doesn't have any real gender, right?
Yeah.
As-sa'atu, al-ghurfatu doesn't have any real gender. So this word we need to look at for signs for gender. So one of the most useful sign is this ta marbuta. So if you find ta marbuta at the end of this kind of word, you can safely assume this is feminine. So most of the time will be correct. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we are not going for 100% accuracy. We'll settle in 90-95% accuracy. That is fine for now, inshallah. So we have read up to this. So this one is remaining. This one, please read.
Hamidun, Zainabu, Aminatu, Ammarun, Sayyidun, Fatimatu, Maryamu,
Aliyun.
Aliyun, Khalidun, Abbasun, Aishatu, Muhammadun, Safiyatu, Khadijatun.
Khadijatu.
Khadijatu. Because Khadija is name of a female person, right? Khadijatu. Okay.